We have penguins. They're like baked whales, but they're penguins. Look at this. Look at the penguins. They're like goldfish. How much were those, Mom? Were those like $1? What is that? There's a game on the back.
No, they party. They're partying.
They're partying? That's awesome.
Oh, no, it's the difference. You know how weird this is the two pictures? You have to spot the difference.
Oh, you have to spot the differences? Yeah. Look, it's Mom. Hi, Mom. Look, we have french fries. Yay, french fries.
This is gonna be like, you guys are so stupid.
Somehow, this got through security. They didn't say anything about this, so, I mean, I don't know. No, they didn't say anything. And look, I found this Lego piece a minute ago. Let's see, check it out. This little Lego piece, it's like a map. Aww. Little map. Look, the airplane's here. Okay, check this out. Look, zoom in, camera. That, you can't read it, but it says lavatory waste. I want that guy's job. He's driving the poop truck. Oh yeah, that is awesome. I wonder if that guy hates himself.
Sir? Wait, I can attach it to them. I can get an attachment that shoots up. Here's the only thing that I don't understand though is you still have to wipe your bottom, don't you? Or are you going to get up with a wet bottom?
Maybe it dries it for you too.
I think there are some that have like...
Again, ladies and gentlemen, please take a moment to look at the size of your
Would you
carry-on
please turn
items.
that
If they do
thing
not fit in our size-wise unit here, you will be checking
There
those
is no
here at
mother
the
talking
doorway.
about today.
In order to expedite our boarding process, if you have a bag,
We're about to board our plane.
see us here at this time. Also, if you have a bag that you would like to
Yay.
check, let me know as you board. I'll be happy to tag that for you here. At this time, we are...
You're stuck with me, I'm your sister. Look, we're on the airplane. Mom. Nicholas. Airplane. Airplane, airplane, airplane. There's the outside world.
You have that water?
You get it. Bring it out.